After 21 years of marriage, Scott and Kelley Wolf are officially in a messy split, and custody just got serious. Scott Wolf has been granted temporary sole custody of their 3 kids after filing a restraining order against Kelley. Why? Court documents say her behavior posed a substantial threat to the children. Kelley's still posting on Instagram, saying she's happy and ready to begin again. But weeks ago, she was detained and hospitalized after making what police called concerning comments to her family. She later posted from the hospital saying it was one of the darkest experiences of her life, and now even her social media is being restricted by court order. Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real stories like this.